Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Here we have a 1997 Honda Goldwing trike. This bike is sunset orange. It almost looks like a Corvette orange to me, burnt orange if you will. It's custom painted. The Goldwing did not come in this color. It is an excellent paint job though. Almost no imperfections in it. The paint's very, very good. It's got a metal flake in it. I don't know if this video or the pictures do it any justice, but this thing is very, very nice. This trike kit is a removable trike kit. Again, it's custom painted. It's in great shape as well. Nice 15-inch wheels here. Has the still functioning bags. Luggage rack's in excellent shape. Again, this paint just really, really impresses me actually. I don't know exactly when it was painted, but it looks fairly recent. I would say maybe within the last couple of years, simply because of just the condition of it and the way it shines. Really nice job here. Tires are in great shape. This bike has reverse, cruise control, AM/FM radio. This is just the cover for the radio. You can see the radio under there. It's a clear cover. Has wind deflectors. No visible damage on this bike. Chrome dust covers. Seat looks like it's been either replaced or modified. It's very, very soft. Softer than the stock one actually. It's also very hot right now. But this looks like it's been redone or reupholstered. Bike's in excellent shape. 70,000 miles. It just clicked 70,000 miles. It's actually 70,011 to be quite exact. I don't know if you can see that there or not. It starts right up. Runs great. Radio works. I don't want to take the little cover off. Very nice bike all around. If you're a fan of this color, I would not hesitate because you will most likely never see another Goldwing this color, specifically in this condition. The 1997 Honda Goldwing. It's the Aspen Kate edition. And it does have the trike kit. Any questions about this one, please give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700, 813-615-1700. We have discounted shipping rates available. Our rates start at $300 and they go up from there depending on your location. Our website is www.myridepro.com. Another option is you can fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up for free and you can ride the bike home. It's been road tested and serviced, so this bike's ready to roll. As always, thanks for watching.